Use slope 1.75 and point 1, 4 to write a line of fit. Well, if we're given a slope, m equals 1.75, and our point here, x, y, or x1, y1, and 1, 4, I'm thinking point slope form is a great way to go. So that form, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. And we're just plugging in what we know here. So we have y minus y1, 4, equals our slope, 1.75, the m value, times x minus x1, which is a 1. Now from here, let's go write it in slope-intercept form. So I'm going to simplify this. Distribute the 1.75, so I have y minus 4 equals 1.75x minus 1.75 times 1 is a minus 1.75. I then want to add 4 to both sides of the equation. Y is by itself. We have 1.75x, and minus 1.75 plus 4 is a positive 2.25. And so our equation here, in two different ways, right? But in slope-intercept form, of a slope of 1.75 and 1, 4 is our point. Our line of fit to estimate it will be y equals 1.75x plus 2.25.